yesterday, a petty thief, a notorious petty thief, right, in our village was killed in a neighboring village, was mobbed. This guy, they notorious, right? Oga Feifefu, Igoo Mmuo, imagine the mad like person go put yam for ground. Before the yam even growing, don't go carry am. In the enter women house like this, rob them, or they rob, the person will come, they shout. So notorious. So this person, obviously, you can imagine Alusiona to go in our personal and community deities that he has been reported to, how many curses that he had on his head, how many women, how many people have cried because this he will pull up, collect person money, weighing keep. Because all these thieves they know they fit go to that money, where that money they they are agents of Akogo. Obviously, person will carry that burden of negativity on your head, they dead. One good thing if you come out of that person, right? And now one human being now don't go kill him. Don't go kill person where they dead. Now you get blood for your hand. Late last year, my mom was staying in Ogidi, relocated to Moji. This same dude who is notorious here has other people who are also notorious like him. And one of them happens to be my father's neighbor, just the next compound in this house now where my father lives. So that guy, previously, I was not putting him out for him. He would come inside this compound and come and carry my dad's bag of cement. You know what I'm saying? Whatever he sees, he can take, right? He will come in and steal. But I no pull him out for him because, oh, Yani Kenga, Ibn Emeko, right? Then my momsy comes to this place, right? Joins in here. And now it's more personal because I could go to war for her, right? So I see that this dude is going, I know for sure that this guy, because now I'm observing from a spirituality angle. I'm looking at this from annual Kenya, that this is an Akogoli, and me, I am an Alopose. So I know that there is going to be a temptation. I don't already see him before it happens. Say this Akogolina will come be a temptation to me. And on how I know guide, say one day I go punch him and he go die. So what did I do? Before I even acted itself, it turns out that he had already started exchanging words with my mama. I go call this guy out, be like, guy, how far? Don't ever talk to my mom see again for your full life. Like, even if she talks to you, no retorts to my mom see, no talk to my mom see again for your full life. In the talk here, okay, like saying things I want to hit him. In the do fair. So I go home, I take a cooler nut because the temptation, I don't already see that temptation they come. I know see this guy I want make I kill him, make him die. Person where they dead, person where they rob everywhere, where they enter people house, where they say in the enter woman house, go they rob the woman, in be a terrorist. In one Congo they play with my momsy. And my momsy just moved back that time. I just knew that this guy, if he does this thing, I'm going to have to treat his fuck up. So it's either I treat his fuck up physically or I treat it spiritually. And Igoo Mmuo, I've learned from experience. Igoo Mmuo no disturb person. So I went to my arrow. I was na beg, I go beg am say I beg, come on this Akogoli from my radar, please. Remove this temptation where they see, where just pull up on me. Please remove it, handle it for me. I beg. This one I talk I beg, this one I beg. Like I really beg them, you know what I'm saying? Some they pack him and this one now they kill now, and some other people where they bad. They pack all of them, go lock them for prison for some months. Ebony in a jewel, you know what I'm saying? So then after a while, they can't release them now. And now don't go. Obviously, no day house now, because if in day house now, people, the village will find them, pack them again, go lock them up again. But now, one person now don't go kill person where they dead. We don't go kill person where they dead. Now, You know, saying that when you kill madman, now you go know saying get people. You don't experience that before. And when you kill a person who is mad, you will know that it has people. So now, the best thing now, the highest deal now with those people, the highest thing now where they go fit beg now and say they will handle every right that involves burying him. That's if the family is even going to agree. Because even the family don't tire for him. But now, I don't go kill him. Oh no, you can kill somebody. You don't go kill him. You know what I'm saying? So, guy, carry your spirituality, they go first. So if bad things won't pull up on you, bro. If negative, that's why a video where I make a few ago, I say, are you observing the energies that are pulling up in your spiritual picture? Are you noticing? I was observing, that was when I knew that this guy, I know how I react to this kind of catching fun kind of person. Me will be a serious dude. One day catch fun, they chop me. I could murder you. So I know. So I just got stream Nwa Uto and tell your woman how much you want to be. Tell your woman that stream Nwa Uto. Nwa Uto is a way for Igoo Mmuo again. Play Nwa Uto. Sing it for a woman.
Baby girl, from this very day I got you. I'm the war haters know I'm born in fire.